Suffering from back pain or sciatica? What is sciatica? Sciatica is a condition caused by irritation or compression of the sciatic nerve, leading to lower back pain that radiates down the leg, often with numbness, tingling, or weakness. Common causes of sciatica include herniated or bulging discs, spinal stenosis, piriformis syndrome, poor posture or injury, degenerative disc disease. We can do a thorough spine exam, posture assessment, and x-rays, and if needed, we can even order an MRI to find out what's really causing your pain. At Vital Mill Creek Chiropractic, we don't just mask the symptoms, we identify and address the underlying cause of your pain through a thorough evaluation and custom care. Our non-invasive, drug-free therapies include chiropractic adjustments, restore proper spinal alignment and reduce pressure on the nerves. Spinal Decompression Therapy, gently stretch the spine to relieve pressure on herniated or bulging discs. MLS Laser Therapy, reduce inflammation, relieve pain, and speed up healing at the cellular level. I came in barely walking, and now I'm back to hiking pain-free.